Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily recover some of your Google storage space. As you can see here, I'm sort of running out of space, got about 5 gigs left, total of 52 gigs for my particular account. There are other accounts and that's a shared space. So I'm going to show you how to try to reduce your Gmail storage space. Found out how to do this not so long ago, so I thought I'd share this tip. So what you've got to do is you got to go to your Gmail account. Now on the left hand side here, you'll see that you've got the option to expand the categories here. And then if you go down to promotions, this is pretty much all your spam email. And you can see here that I've only got 2. I've already cleaned up this promotion folder. And all you need to do is select this and then delete. You see if they've got any in social. Now I've deleted that as well. And once you do that, all those emails will get put in the bin. So let me show you here. I had about 50,000 emails. As you can see here, I've got currently 48,000 in my recycle bin. And once you empty this bin, you'll be able to recover some of your storage space. So let me just empty this bin and let's see how much storage I recover. So I'm just going to empty it now. If you don't empty your bin, you will not recover your storage until after 30 days. So it's going to go through and delete those 48,643 emails. Majority of them was just spam, so hopefully I'll get some of my storage back. Okay, so it's decreased down to 43,000. It'll take a little while. It's a lot of emails. I've accumulated this since I opened up the Gmail account, which was over 10 years ago. So it is a lot of emails. I hardly ever clean up the promotions folder. So this will be a good way to recover some of the storage. Now it's down to 13,000 emails. Okay, it's almost emptied the recycle bin. Let's see how much storage space I've recovered just from deleting the promotions folder. Okay, here we go. This is the moment of truth. Okay, give it some time, and it took about, half an hour or so. So give it some time and then come back to your Google Drive, do a refresh, and as you can see now, it's decreased down to 20.75 gigabytes. So roughly about 3 gigs was recovered just by deleting the promotions folder or the emails within that folder. And yeah, hope this video helped. If you did, please give a like, subscribe to the channel,